where streets are tough, birds still sing sweet melodies enough. They don't know they're in the hood, no boundaries seen. Their song is pure, their beauty serene. Family struggle, faces worn, world's expectations weigh them down forlorn. But they rise above with hearts aflame, their resilience a beacon in the pain, in the pain. Birds sing in the ghetto too, their voices rise, their spirits renew. Beauty's everywhere, talent shines through. God's gifts aren't bound by zip codes, it's true. Systems designed to hold them down, but they won't stop, they'll turn it around. With every fall they rise a flame, their resilience a beacon.